Hello, this is Yemi Blira reporting together with Wave Dog and me. And today we are at a very special training program with Wave Dog, and she is training at the school, which is in the 42nd parallel, the smallest school in all of Canada. And this school is not the smallest school, but it is the most southerly school in all of Canada. This is the most southern point in all of Canada. That's right, all of Canada. There's no place more south than this place here. And let me tell you about this place even further. I can go on to say that it's very true that the people of Canada, they are very peaceful people. They are peace-loving people, almost as peaceful as the people of the Soviet Union. Almost. That's right. Almost as peaceful. And that's